హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం టీఎస్ జెన్కోకు సంబంధించి ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ అండ్ జనరల్ కెమిస్ట్రీలో కొరోజన్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ కంట్రోల్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎంసీక్యూస్ చూడబోతున్నాం. ముందుగా ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీకు ఒక రిక్వెస్ట్. ఈ ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తుంటే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మరి వీడియోని లైక్ చేసి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో పైన మీ ఒపీనియన్ కామెంట్ రూపంలో తెలియజేయండి. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ కామన్ మెథడ్ ఫర్ కంట్రోలింగ్ కొరోజన్? ఆప్షన్స్: galvanizing, anodizing, phosphating, decarburizing. Correct option: option D, decarburizing. Next question, which one of the following metals is more susceptible to corrosion? Options: gold, platinum, iron, silver. Correct option: option C, iron. Next question, in the electrochemical series, which metal is least likely to corrode? Options: zinc, magnesium, copper, gold. Correct option: option D, gold. Next question, which of the following environments is most likely to accelerate the corrosion of steel? Options: dry air, humid air, saline water, distilled water. Correct option: option C, saline water. Next question, what is the primary function of a sacrificial anode in cathodic protection? Options: to protect the anode from corrosion, to corrode in place of the protected metal, to reduce the humidity in the environment, to increase the pH of environment. Correct option: option B, to corrode in place of the protected metal. Next question, in an electrochemical corrosion cell, the site where oxidation occurs is called. Options: cathode, anode, electrolyte, salt bridge. Correct option: option B, anode. Next question, which of the following factors does not influence the rate of corrosion? Options: temperature, type of electrolyte, crystal structure of the metal, ambient light. Correct option: option D, ambient light. Next question, what type of corrosion is characterized by the formation of small pits on the metal surface? Options: galvanic corrosion, crevasse corrosion, pitting corrosion, intergranular corrosion. Correct option: option C, pitting corrosion. Next question, which metal coating technique involves applying a thin layer of zinc to protect iron or steel? Options: electroplating, anodizing, galvanizing, phosphating. Correct option: option C, galvanizing. Next question, in the context of corrosion, what does the term passivation refers to? Options: accelerating the corrosion process, coating the metal with a protective film, reducing the metal to a more stable form, introducing impurities to the metal. Correct option: option B, coating the metal with a protective film. Next question, the corrosion of iron in the presence of oxygen and moisture results in the formation of. Options: FeO, Fe2O3, Fe3O4, FeOH taken twice. Correct option: Fe2O3. Next question, which of the following method is used to protect underground pipelines from corrosion? Options: galvanizing, cathodic protection, electroplating, anodizing. Correct option: option B, cathodic protection. Next question, which of the following statement about galvanic corrosion is true? Options: it occurs between two metals with similar electrochemical potentials. It requires the presence of a corrosive electrolyte. It is independent of the relative areas of the anode and cathode. It can be prevented by increasing the temperature. Correct option: option B, it requires the presence of corrosive electrolyte. Next question, what role does humidity play in the corrosion process? Options: inhibits the formation of an oxide layer, provides the necessary electrolyte for electrochemical reactions, decreases the conductivity of the electrolyte, increase the metal's resistance to corrosion. Correct option: provides the necessary electrolyte for electrochemical reactions. Next question, in cathodic protection, impressed current system use. Options: a sacrificial anode, a direct electrical current, an insulating coating, a corrosion inhibitor. Correct option: option B, a direct electrical current. Next question, which of the following is a common result of crevasse corrosion? Options: uniform thinning of the metal, localized pitting, cracking along grain boundaries, general surface rusting. Correct option: localized pitting. Next question, the standard electrochemical potential of zinc is minus 0.76 volts and that of copper is plus 0.34 volt. Which metal is more likely to be oxidized? Options: zinc, copper, both equally, neither. Correct option: option A, zinc. Next question, what is the main reason for using alloys rather than pure metal in construction? Options: alloys are always cheaper, Alloys have higher electrical conductivity. Alloys generally have better mechanical properties and corrosion resistance. Pure metals are more abundant. Correct option. Option C. Alloys generally have better mechanical properties and corrosion resistance. Next question. The term anodic protection refers to options: making the metal, the anode is a galvanic cell, applying a protective anodic film, using a sacrificial anode, connecting the metal to a more noble metal. Correct option. Option A. Making the metal, the anode in a galvanic cell. Next question. Which of the following does not significantly affect the rate of corrosion? Options: the grain size of the metal, the concentration of oxygen in the environment, the presence of electrolytes, the ambient temperature. Correct option. Option A. The grain size of the metal. Next question. What is the main principle behind cathodic protection? Options: making the protected metal the anode, preventing the protected metal from gaining electrons, supplying electrons to the protected metal, removing oxygen from the environment. Correct option: supplying electrons to the protected metal. Next question. Which type of corrosion is often caused by differences in oxygen concentration? Options: galvanic corrosion, pitting corrosion, crevice corrosion, intergranular corrosion. Correct option. Option C. Crevice corrosion. Next question. Which of the following metals is commonly used as a sacrificial anode? Options: copper, gold, zinc, silver. Correct option. Option C. Zinc. Next question. An increase in temperature generally affects the rate of corrosion by options: decreasing the rate of anodic reactions, increasing the rate of cathodic reactions, increasing the overall corrosion rate, decreasing the solubility of corrosive gases. Correct option. Option C. Increasing the overall corrosion rate. Next question. Which of the following metals will form a protective oxide layer that slows down the further corrosion? Options: iron, aluminium, zinc, magnesium. Correct option. Option B. Aluminium. Next question. Which of the following environments is most likely to cause intergranular corrosion? Options: high temperature, low temperature, neutral pH, alkaline pH. Correct option. Option A. High temperature. Next question. In the context of electrochemical corrosion, the cathodic reaction often involves options: the reduction of metal ions, the oxidation of metal atoms, the evolution of hydrogen gas, the formation of an oxide layer. Correct option. Option C. The evolution of hydrogen gas. Next question. What is the primary cause of stress corrosion cracking? Options: high humidity, tensile stress combined with a corrosive environment, low pH levels, the presence of noble gases. Correct option. Option B. Tensile stress combined with a corrosive environment. Next question. The galvanic series is used to protect options: the mechanical strength of metals, the electrical conductivity of metals, the relative nobility of metals in a specific environment, the density of metals. Correct option. Option C. The relative nobility of metals in a specific environment. Next question. Which of the following measures is not a method of preventing corrosion? Options: applying a coating of paint, using corrosion inhibitors, heating the metal to high temperature, implementing cathode protection. Correct option. Option C. Heating the metal to high temperature. Thank you. Please subscribe and like the video.